Many people wonder whether modern technology will help create new job opportunities or destroy existing ones. The answer to this question is not simple, as there are different opinions on this subject. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the future of some jobs in light of the development of artificial intelligence and whether this development will help or destroy these jobs. On the one hand, artificial intelligence and machine technologies will help improve productivity and reduce costs in various industries, thereby increasing companies' ability to grow and expand and create new job opportunities. For example, artificial intelligence can assist engineers in developing new products faster and more efficiently, and robotic machines can perform hazardous or repetitive tasks that may pose a risk to humans. On the other hand, rapid advancements in technology may lead to the loss of some traditional jobs, especially those that require simple skills or the ability to perform repetitive tasks. These may include manual industries, logistics, and delivery services, which can be replaced by robots and other technologies. However, technology can also help create new job opportunities in new fields, such as developing and managing robots, artificial intelligence, and other automation technologies. Therefore, while technological progress may lead to the loss of some traditional jobs, it is also possible to create new job opportunities. Here are some examples. Developing and designing robots and smart systems. Artificial intelligence can help develop robots and smart systems that are used in many fields, such as medicine, manufacturing, agriculture, transportation, construction, and logistics services. Data analysis. Artificial intelligence can help analyze big data and transform it into valuable information, which can help companies, governments, and other institutions make more accurate and effective decisions. Developing artificial intelligence applications. Artificial intelligence can help develop artificial intelligence applications, such as voice assistants, image recognition, machine translation, speech recognition, and more, which can help people improve their productivity and communicate better. Development of artificial intelligence in medical fields. Artificial intelligence can help in developing medical diagnosis and treatment interventions, which can improve the quality of healthcare and reduce costs. Development of artificial intelligence in military and security fields. Artificial intelligence can assist in developing security, defense, and intelligence systems, which can improve security and stability. However, what is the dark side of the development of artificial intelligence? And what are the jobs and professions that will be affected by this development? Follow the video to the end to discover the facts. The rapid development in the field of artificial intelligence may negatively affect some professions and jobs due to several factors, including data analysis. The use of modern technology and artificial intelligence techniques may lead to more accurate and efficient data analysis, which can reduce the need for human labor in this field by companies and institutions. Manufacturing industries. The use of modern technology and artificial intelligence techniques may improve manufacturing and production processes in manufacturing industries, which can reduce the need for human labor in these professions. Handicraft industries. The use of modern technology and robots may improve production processes in handicraft industries, which can reduce the need for human labor in these professions. Logistics and delivery services. The use of modern technology and robots may improve delivery and logistics services, which can reduce the need for human labor in these professions. Financial services. The use of modern technology and artificial intelligence techniques in financial services may reduce the need for human labor in this field, especially in financial management and financial analysis. Medical services. The use of modern technology and artificial intelligence techniques in medical services may reduce the need for manual labor. In summary, can artificial intelligence replace the human mind? Artificial intelligence cannot completely replace humans in the future, as humans possess a set of qualities and skills that artificial intelligence cannot fully simulate, such as creativity, critical thinking, empathy, effective communication, and the ability to adapt to different circumstances. However, artificial intelligence can help improve some functions and processes that humans perform and can solve some processes that require high accuracy and speed in performance. Furthermore, the use of technology and artificial intelligence requires training and management by humans and can create new opportunities for work in fields related to the development and application of modern technologies. Therefore, it can be said that artificial intelligence cannot completely replace humans in the future, but can help improve processes and provide new job opportunities, while humans remain capable of setting goals, management, and creative thinking. So we have come to the end of the video. What do you think? Can artificial intelligence replace the human mind? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive everything new and useful. Thank you for following, and see you soon.